Hello tech enthusiasts. Are you tired of the same old smartphone drama? Are you ready for a phone that doesn't just compete with the iPhone, it obliterates it? Stop the scrolling, because your wait for the ultimate flagship killer is officially over. Nokia is about to drop a device so powerful, so insane, it's going to redefine what a smartphone can do. We're talking about the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G, a beast packing a 400 megapixel DSLR level camera, most powerful Snapdragon Gen 5 processor, and a price tag that will make your jaw drop. This isn't a rumor anymore, this is a revolution. If you want to know how you can get your hands on this monster, stick around, because we're diving deep into the leaked specs, the unbelievable price, and the launch date you need to mark on your calendar. Let's get into the future of mobile. Features of the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. Display. Forget subtle upgrades. The Oxygen Ultra 5G gives you a cinematic 6.95-inch QHD Plus Super AMOLED screen that is blindingly fast. We're talking a 144Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling, and a blistering 360Hz touch sampling rate that makes this the fastest phone you'll ever game on. With 506 ppi pixel density, every image is unbelievably sharp. Plus, it's built like a tank, IP68 rated and secured with a futuristic in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera setup. In 2025, if the camera isn't epic, the phone is dead on arrival. Nokia didn't just meet expectations, they shattered them. Get ready for a quad camera system with a frankly insane 400 megapixel primary sensor. This is a full-blown mobile photography studio. Backing up that colossal sensor, you get a 50 megapixel, a 24 megapixel, and a 12 megapixel depth sensor. And for all you selfie gods and goddesses, a jaw-dropping 100 megapixel front camera. Power and performance. This is where the Oxygen Ultra 5G earns its Ultra title. This phone doesn't just run on a flagship chip, it runs on the future, the Qualcomm Snapdragon Gen 5, unadulterated processing power. And to keep things silky smooth, it's launching with the absolute latest software, Android 16, straight out of the box. Lag, that's not a word in this phone's vocabulary. Battery and charging. The Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G is a power monster, fueled by a massive 7500 mAh battery. This thing is engineered for days, not hours. And when you finally need to juice up, it uses a revolutionary 125-watt fast charging that will take it from dead to full in literally minutes. Power anxiety, solved. Price and launch date. Now, for the million-dollar answer. With specs like these, you'd expect a $1,500 price tag, right? Wrong. Rumors are nailing the price point at an unbelievable $999. That's a flagship killer price for a phone that crushes the flagships. So, when can you get your hands on this piece of history? The word on the street is an early 2026 launch. Start saving now, because this phone is going to sell out instantly.